Baba, I'm waiting to go to the market as we have to complete our e-shopping.
Oh, my lovely daughter wants to do the Eid shopping.
Yes, Baba, I want to do a lot of e-shopping.
Yes, my daughter, we will go for shopping. But do you know about the Eid al-Fitr festival?
Yes, I know, but not so much, Baba.
No problem, Fatima. I will tell you, but first let me ask a question.
Sure, Baba.
Do you know what is Ramadan?
Yes, Baba, it is our holy month.
Yes, right. And you know, when we fast in this holy month, Allah gave us Eid al-Fitr festival as our Ramadan gift. And also, Ramadan is an Arabic name for the 9th month in the Islamic calendar. It is considered as one of the holiest Islamic months.
Baba is also one of the 5 pillars of Islam.
Right. The most important Muslim festival is known as Eid al-Fitr, which means the festival of breaking of the fast. The month before Eid is a time of self-reflection and almsgiving, a time for family and Muslims to thank Allah for all the blessings in their life.
And it means this is the most religious and holiest for the Muslim festival.
Yes, Fatima, Ramadan is a period of fasting, whereas Eid al-Fitr marks the end of the fast and is the one day when Muslims are not allowed to fast. And do you know what is Sadaqah al-Fitr?
I don't know, Mama.
A few days before the Eid begins, each Muslim family makes a donation known as Sadaqah al-Fitr, charity of fast breaking.
That is so good. It means in this way we help the needy and also then celebrate the happiness of Eid.
Yes.
Mama, how the Eid day start?
On the first day of Eid, Muslims wake up early and gather at an outdoor location or mosque to say prayers. A variety of meat dishes are enjoyed on Eid. There are many more sweets enjoyed. Families gather together to make swap and eat these sugar cookies for Eid. In Asian countries, elders give Eid money to the children.
And then all Muslims dress up so nicely.
Yes.
Fatima, don't worry. On weekend, we will go for Eid shopping.
Jazakallah khair.
Do you know about Eid Day Sunnah, Fatima?
I don't know exactly. Please tell me, Baba. I want to know so that I will follow the Sunnah as well.
MashaAllah, you are enthusiastic. Make ghusl before the Eid Salah, eating before prayer. For Eid al-Fitr, it is Sunnah to eat some dates before the prayer. Putting on attar, just as our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, applied attar, which is the perfume. Takbir on the way to the masjid. Takbirul Eid should be recited softly. The Eid Takbir is Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd. Congratulating each other on Eid Day, we often congratulate each other with the greetings such as Eid Mubarak. Perform Eid Salah. Eid Salah must not be missed as it is a fundamental part of Eid. On the day of Eid, the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to return after offering the Eid prayer through a different way from that by which he went.
Fatima, your Baba guided you very well with the proper explanation. I hope you remember it.
Yes, Mama, inshallah. I will not forget. Jazakallah, Baba.
Wayaki Fatima.